Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today, before we get started on making my brisket and Swiss cheese quesadillas, I don't know if y'all have ever watched the Waltwins or not, but those guys are awesome. They're very entertaining. I've probably been watching them for a good year and a half or more right now. I think I started watching them before I got my Blackstone. They got tons of great cooks. Adam and Brett, you guys are awesome. And, you know, oftentimes, not often, but every now and then they'll say, yeah, well, you know, it's so fun cooking and we got a twin. You should go out there and get yourself a twin, you know. So I'm like, hey, that's a great idea. So get me a twin. Maybe that'll help with my channel. I don't know. So I went on Amazon and, of course, looked up twins. My twin was out of stock. Figures, right? So anyway, so time's gone on and I got a notice from Amazon that my twin was in stock. So man, I jumped on Amazon, put in the order, and guess what? Got my twin a couple of days ago. He's been doing nothing but watching YouTube videos since he got here. So maybe he's trying to catch up. I don't know. So I've been trying to think, what am I going to name him? And I thought, you know what? I'm going to name him after my good buddy in Flagstaff, Brad. We're going to call him Brad for now. I might as well just introduce you to him right now. Brad, come on, introduce yourself. Hey, I'm Brad. Yeah, I dress just like you. Oh, okay. Oh, you got me something though? What'd you get me? I've been watching a lot of videos, so I think you got me an apron? I have a matching apron. Yeah, interesting apron you got right there, here. Brad. I got my dinosaur apron. Right, we're gonna look alike now? All right, we'll just put these dinosaur aprons on. Whatever. So anyway, I'm Brad, named after some guy in Flagstaff, I guess. Oh boy, here we go. Speaking of the Waltwins, right. It looks like he has been watching YouTube videos. Now, I'm going to get these quesadillas Adam ready. Brad, you got two more twins, cooking on that. Quadruplets now. You can listen to Brad. So I took a list, I made a list of all these channels that I watch that he subscribed to that I really like, and I can't do them all because there's so many, but I'm going to run through some of them. And the first one I want to do is the Duderino at the Dude's Kitchen. Oh man, that dude, he's a slacker. I'm a slacker. I want to join your club, Mike. So I'm going to go join the slacker club over at the Dude's Kitchen. Another channel that is awesome that I'm glad this guy watches is called Behind the Garage Barbecue, and that's Craig over there behind the Garage Barbecue. That guy can cook. I mean, he makes everything scratch, sauces, marinades, everything from scratch. This guy likes to use the jarred stuff. He likes to cheat. Cooking with Stephen and Jacqueline. Man, I'll tell you what, those guys are in Trinidad. They've got some awesome Trini style food that they cook. And Stephen likes his food hot. He uses those scorpion peppers. Man, I don't know how you do it, Stephen, but go for it. Okay, another channel that I think is great is Jeff over at Fat Kids Barbecue. He slowed down on his videos because he's going to go do competitions. How awesome is that, right? So, but if he comes and does a video, check it out. Check out what he makes, and you be the judge. He makes some great stuff. Jeff, I like your channel. This next channel is Patty Joe's Cooking. Now, Patty Joe, Patrick, he's the cousin of the Duderino. You'll hear the Duderino talk about his cousin Patrick all the time. So, Patty Joe's Cooking. Brad, you've been watching a lot of YouTube. You eat some crazy stuff down under, buddy. Keep going, looks good. Some of it looks good. Some of that canned fish stuff, he can eat it. I ain't eating it. I can't argue with any of these. Another channel that I liked when I was watching was the Dustin over at Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. You should go check him out. And lately he's been doing weekly TikTok cooks. So he watches he gets requests on TikTok of things to cook, and he comes out and cooks it. So Dustin, awesome job. Next one for one of my Blackstone buddies, plus he has a Pit Boss smoker, Charlie over at Pit Smoke. You make it look so easy, buddy. I really appreciate it. Anyway, all these people that I'm reading off, can you put the links below? He'll put the links below. And you can go and check him out, subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff. After you subscribe to this channel, of course, because now I'm here, you'll definitely want to subscribe. All right, Sal over at
quesadillas are just about done.
That guy's amazing. He has some awesome food. He did a competition with this guy on his rubs. Guess who won? Guess who he got divorced over? His wife picked this guy's rub over his. I don't get it. Are you that good? Anyway, the Root Boy cooks. He always has a great cook, and he always has a beer at the end. He drinks beer with his stuff. And man, I'll tell you what, I wish I could get my hands on some of that beer. You got any of it? This guy's got a beer fridge full of beer. He's got all kinds of beer. So I just don't have the kind Sal has. Maybe we can do a beer on our taste test, huh? And then also Sal on the Root Boy Cooks, every time he opens a beer, he's always talking about Rob. Hey, squash the something off the froth, Rob. You know, Rob doesn't like the hoppy IPAs, and he always lets him know it. So Rob is over at the Barbecue Pit Dog. Rob, man, your channel is great too. Love watching all of you guys. Can I get a turn? I've only been here a couple of days, but man, these channels are awesome.
So, hey, here you go.
I guess that's it for me.
That is a Swiss cheese brisket quesadilla. Now we get to do the taste test. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Yes. Just like the Waltwins.
Okay.
If it doesn't look amazing, looks amazing. If it doesn't smell amazing,
all right, here we go.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
They do look amazing.
Yep. Let's,
smell
what else
amazing.
you guys say? If it doesn't taste amazing, it was all for naught.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. I'll eat to that, my brother. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I do.
It's my first taste test with this guy. It was pretty good.
Yes, that was
Makes
absolutely delicious. Get yourself a twin.
Oh my goodness.
Make some
That's
Swiss and brisket quesadilla, some homemade salsa.
We'll see you.
I don't know. This guy. Should I keep him or should I not? Leave me a comment in the comment section. Hit the like, and we'll see you on the next video.